the hare in Latin. Nominative case, singular, subject noun, lepus. Lepus in hortō saltat, the hare jumps in the garden. Genitive case, singular, possessive, Leporis. Celeritās Leporis magna est, a hare's speed is great. Dative case, singular, indirect object, Leporī. Poēta Lepore complexum dat, the poet gives a hug to the hare. Accusative case, singular, direct object, Leporem. Lupus Leporem spectat, the wolf watches the hare. Ablative case, singular, location, means, or circumstantial context, Lepore. Lūce Lepore vīsā, with light seen by the hare. Nominative case, plural, subject noun, Leporēs. Leporēs per agrum currunt, hares run across the field. Genitive case, plural, possessive, Leporum. Quibus preferendus Leporum carotæs sunt, the preferred food of hares is carrots. Dative case, plural, indirect object, Leporibus. Silva Leporibus tectum dat, the forest gives shelter to hares. Accusative case, plural, direct object, Leporēs. Luna Leporēs in nocte illuminat, the moon illuminates the hares at night. Ablative case, plural, location, means, or circumstantial context, Leporibus. Nebula Leporibus circumvolvitur, mist swirls about the hares. Lepus Leporis is a noun belonging to the third declension. In this video, we've explored the 5 primary cases and their most common uses, both singular and plural. Remember, some cases can convey meanings beyond what we've covered here, so keep exploring to discover the full depth of Latin grammar.